In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Zoho CRM version. Understanding which version of Zoho CRM you're using is important for managing your subscription and ensuring that you're utilizing all the features available to you. So, let's walk through this simple process together. First, you need to log into your Zoho CRM account. If you haven't already, open your web browser and head over to the Zoho CRM login page. Enter your credentials carefully and hit the login button. Once you're on the dashboard, you're just a few clicks away from finding out the version details you're looking for. Now, draw your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on this icon and you'll see a list of options pop up. Among these options, you should find one labeled either Manage Subscription or just Subscription. Go ahead and click on this option. It's here you'll be able to access detailed information about your Zoho CRM version. Upon clicking, a new page will appear. This page provides you with a comprehensive overview of your current subscription details. Among the information displayed, you'll be able to see the name of your current plan. This is your Zoho CRM version. Additionally, this page will show you valuable details like your billing cycle, which can be monthly or yearly depending on your subscription choice, and also the user count, which indicates how many users are currently under your plan. This is very useful information to have at your fingertips as it allows you to manage your subscription effectively. Knowing these details can empower you to decide if it's time to upgrade your plan or make any necessary changes based on your business needs. And there you have it. You've successfully found out which version of Zoho CRM you're using. Remember, keeping tabs on your CRM version is crucial as it directly impacts the tools and functionalities available to your business. You'll want to ensure everything is up to date and you're getting the most out of your CRM experience. If you need further assistance or have any questions regarding different plans and their features, Zoho's support team is always a great resource to tap into. They can provide additional insights and recommendations tailored to your business needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be alerted the next time we upload a helpful tutorial like this one. If you have any comments or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, take care and happy CRM.